Hi everyone, this is Adam Stern. This is my final project. And I started out wanting to make a version of Instagram, a clone of it, and then decided I wanted to try to add on a shopping cart and see how it goes. So right off the bat, I've got Amazon Cognito helping out with my logins, so I'm able to make users as well as sign in with those users, and I'm also able to sign in with Facebook. So we're going to go ahead and use the Facebook sign in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and confirm my login. Alright, it's going to take a while to jump over it. Alright, so here we can go to the shopping carts, and then I can go to the inventory screen, and then once I go to the inventory screen, we have some of the items on display there, some of the images, just like, clothes and stuff. So the shopping cart module I'm still sort of working on. So when you click on the picture before, you just go to the picture, but now I want to actually add this interactive shopping cart module. So while everything is up on the back end, I'm still sort of working on the front end, getting everything to sort of display properly. So I have everything wired up with connected to the database. There's my database there. It's an Amazon RDS, and there's an API endpoint. Well, that's not the API endpoint, that's the RDS endpoint, but I'm using API gateway to make OK HTTP calls from my application. Once those calls are made, they execute this Lambda function here, and this Lambda function goes ahead and inputs the data that I need. My photos here are stored. They're stored in the database, but they're also stored at this link here. This is where the actual pictures are stored in S3. So when I make my Lambda call and pull my pictures, what I'm actually doing is I'm pulling all the pictures off the database. Then I'm pulling the string as part of the picture array, and then I'm making a subsequent call to the S3 bucket to pull the pictures from there. So I have my user pools going where I can sort of sign in and make my various users, and that I'm also utilizing. So I'm utilizing the Facebook login. I'm utilizing the S3 buckets, and I'm utilizing the MySQL database, RDS database, for what I'm doing in addition to OK HTTP and the Facebook login. There's the Facebook login there, and then I can sign out and I can sign in with one of my Cognito users, and doing so should provision me. There you go. So I've signed in, and it provisions me with a token that I can use for my shopping cart. What I plan on doing is going in more, cleaning up some of the images in regards to how we're loading the images, as well as fixing up the shopping cart and getting all the layouts to work, because the layouts are sort of the areas that I'm having trouble with, getting them to sort of work in the way I want to. I'm getting all the data, utilizing parsables in order to transfer my data bundles, the whole 9 yards, and I'm getting everything I need from the database. However, just getting the layouts working correctly is sort of with the shopping cart layout is sort of what I'm dealing with, and I'm using a lot of asynchronous calls to sort of get and populate the data, so that I can sort of move through the app with, and utilizing my threads in the right way, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much.